If you want to cancel your Grammarly payment and make sure your subscription is stopped properly, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what happens after you cancel, so you can avoid any confusion or surprise charges. And if this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, log into the Grammarly account that has the paid subscription you want to cancel. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one email address, because the subscription settings will only appear for the account that is actually billing you. After you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Admin Panel. This is where Grammarly keeps account and subscription controls for paid users. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the sidebar carefully because the layout can look a little different depending on your screen size. Next, click on your account, then choose the subscription tab. This section will show your plan details, billing status, and subscription information. It's a good idea to review this page before you cancel, just so you know what plan you're currently on and when your next billing date is scheduled. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the subscription details page. At the bottom, you should see the Cancel Subscription option. Click that button to begin the cancellation process. Grammarly may ask you to confirm your choice more than once, so don't worry if it takes a couple of clicks before the cancellation is final. As you move through the prompts, Grammarly may ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the option that best matches your situation, whether you're no longer using the service, switching to another tool, or just cutting back on expenses. After that, submit the cancellation request and follow any final confirmation steps shown on screen. Be sure to read each message carefully so you know your cancellation has gone through completely. Once the process is finished, your automated billing will be stopped. That means Grammarly should no longer charge you for the next billing cycle. However, you will still keep access to your paid features until the end of your current billing period. After that time, your account will automatically downgrade to the free version. That's an important detail to remember because canceling does not usually remove premium access immediately. You can continue using the features you paid for until the current cycle ends, so you still get the full value of the time you already paid for. If you want to be extra safe, you can also check your email for a cancellation confirmation message from Grammarly. That confirmation is a helpful record in case you ever need to verify the cancellation later. And if you don't see the confirmation right away, refresh the subscription page and make sure the plan now shows as cancelled or set to expire at the end of the billing period. So that's it. You've now learned how to cancel Grammarly payment quickly and correctly. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on software, apps, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.